our office is calling on the federal government, the United States Department of Transportation, to revoke CDL programs in California and Washington.
Florida Attorney General James Uthmeier wants the federal government to pull commercial driver's license programs and related federal funding from California and Washington.
Uthmeier claims sanctuary state policies in those two states led to a deadly crash that took the lives of 3 people here in Florida in St. Lucie County earlier this month. News Channel 8's Mackenzie Laporte explains how that case is forcing the state to expand its immigration enforcement efforts.
Along with calling on the federal government to revoke commercial driver's licenses for illegal migrants, the state is ramping up inspections at state entry points for illegal immigrants that may be coming in or out of Florida. Florida has over 20 agriculture inspection stations normally used to check on food quality and safety. However, in recent months, agriculture law enforcement officials have been taking these inspections a step further.
We're here to protect the state coming into and out of.
And more resources are on the way, with advanced X-ray technology to see inside of trucks passing through the state, as well as an additional inspection site and more pull-over lanes along Florida's northern border. But that's not all they spoke on.
As a reminder, in Florida, you cannot obtain a driver's license if you are an illegal alien. And if you have obtained a driver's license from one of these sanctuary states like California, Washington, or in the case of the driver from last night, New Jersey, those licenses are no good here.
Florida Attorney General James Uthmeier sent a letter to the federal government to revoke commercial driver's license programs in California and Washington, following the fatal crash involving 28-year-old Harjinder Singh, an illegal immigrant accused of making an illegal U-turn on the Florida Turnpike, killing 3 Floridians in St. Lucie County. Singh, who was escorted back from California to Florida by Lieutenant Governor Jay Collins, is facing 3 counts of vehicular homicide.
Why would they put someone behind the wheel of one of those things when this guy can't even communicate and doesn't understand English?
As Florida leaders call for further action against CDL programs and the company who hired Singh, California Governor Gavin Newsom's press team adds to the debate, saying Florida let a murder suspect walk. But even with the backlash, state officials continue to double down on immigration efforts. Attorney General James Uthmeier says the state plans to pursue every legal option to ensure the driver responsible for the crash serves a lengthy prison sentence before any deportation proceedings. Here outside of the State House, Mackenzie Laporte, 8 on your side.